Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add an indicator right here in Phemex. And if you can see, we are having here a chart from TradingView. And in my opinion, TradingView is one of the best technical analysis platform that you can use. So it's a surprise that we have it right here in Phemex. So what we're going to do right now is you have right here a bar with a lot of options. If you go right here to this button, you find right here indicators. So now we can add right here an indicator. Almost all the indicators are from LuxAlgo, so that is great. And let's go to the RSI, I think, the relative strength index, and maybe we can add something else, the accumulation and distribution. And right now, if you can see, we are using right here the indicator. So this is how you can add the indicator. If you want to delete it, you can simply click on the cross and on the cross again. And now you are back at the normal chart. So this is how you can add an indicator right here in Phemex. Hopefully this was exactly the video I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.